Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a Mazda vehicle, guys, the video will be extremely helpful to you guys. Most of the new Mazda engines comes with timing chain, guys, and we'll explain what you need to know about timing chain replacement. It's not a lifetime deal like it used to be, and stay with us and we'll prove you why. Okay, we have a great proof, guys. In addition, guys, okay, timing chains are serviceable and they have to be replaced. Most of the dealers will tell you that it's a lifetime deal, but we've noticed that so many Mazdas have developed problems between 100 and probably 130-40,000 miles. And we have an engine here with 90,000 miles that has timing chain problems. Stay with us, guys, we'll cover all that and we will explain what you need to replace absolutely if you're doing the timing chain replacement. Otherwise, okay, you're asking for disaster to happen. So, right here, guys, we have a Mazda engine, okay, this one here and this one there. Now, this engine, guys, actually comes with two chains. Not every one will come that way, but this one comes with two chains. Okay, one is on the oil pump, right here, go from the crankshaft to the oil pump, and the other one is from the crankshaft to the camshafts. Now, most people, guys, will actually, if they even replace the chain, okay, they will try to tell you it's a lifetime deal. No, it's not, guys. Just try to find why this engine is so expensive on Mazda and you're going to figure out because, okay, timing chain failures. And as a result, guys, okay, I'm going to prove you another thing. If you replace the chain, what else you need to replace? Check out that sprocket, guys. At 90,000 miles, it broke two teeth of the sprocket. One here, one over there. Okay, there. Let me just zoom in. Those things are completely missing, guys. Okay, and this car, okay, somehow didn't jump the chain because we noticed the rudder when we stopped it immediately. We were lucky. Other people are not so lucky. Now, if you guys replace timing chain, which you have to do, in my opinion, around 80,000 miles on most cars nowadays, okay, if you replace the timing chain, you have to replace the timing chain tensioner, okay, right here. This is your tensioner. This is the one that keeps the chain stretched. The guides right here, sprockets for the crankshaft, okay. You may have to replace the one for the oil pump, even though those will not get wore out too much because they don't have any resistance on them, but absolutely on the crankshaft and on the camshafts, guys. And one thing about those, when you remove them, you have to replace the bolts. Okay, you can use them only one time, bolt here, okay, and the other bolt there, and the bolt for the crankshaft pulley, okay, it can be used only one time, so that will need to be replaced as well, guys. So the whole kit, not just the chain and the tensioner. Also, in most cases you need a special tool for that. Okay, we have that locking plate right here to hold the camshafts in place, and we have, guys, okay, on the back side here there is a locking pin for the crankshaft. So in most cases you need a special tool. You can check out, guys, in the description of the video below where we get our parts from and all that stuff. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Please, guys, hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys next time.